When I tell you, this is the most natural 3C 4A crochet hair that I'm going to be installing by one of my favorite companies, HOTBRAIDS, okay? This is the Exotic Kinky Coily Upgrade Crochet Human Hair. Did I say 100%? Yeah, it's 100% human hair. This one bundle of hair is 220 grams and it is way more than enough for one head. They were nice enough to send me a little gift, you guys. I have some styling tools, crochet needle, and some clips, and they also sent me this cute little pink spray bottle. I also have this care instructions booklet with their contact information and handles on the back. So let's get started. I'm just showing you guys my braid pattern, and as you can see, I have a 360 leave out because I plan to wear this style in like 3 or 4 different ways. So this is how the hair is. It has this little micro loop, or some people call it the invisible string. And what I like most about this is that it does not shed at all, you guys. I did not get any shedding, okay? So yes, let's go ahead and get this hair in because I'm so excited to show you guys the styles at the end. I mean, I was amazed, all right? So for this install, you're just gonna put the needle through, pull the hair through, and you're gonna loop it one time and then pull it. It's that simple. I did not want to loop it twice or tie it twice because when I'm getting ready to take this hair down, I want it to be an easy process, and I do plan on using this hair in the future. And yes, this hair is reusable. So for that purpose, we're only going to loop it once. The top is done, and whoa, look at that. It is so cute. I can't stop playing with it, you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and get this done. As you can see, I have to do the back, and voila, the back is done. Do y'all see this beautiful afro texture? Like, oh my god. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning the hair in 4 sections to make it easy to define the curls. I'm going to saturate this hair with water and put in my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is this keratin leave-in conditioner. But any type you choose is just fine. Y'all, I'm not gonna hold you. This afro texture is tea, okay? But these curls are top tier. I'm just gonna repeat this step until I get all the curls nice and defined. And y'all, please don't spray yourself in the eye in the process. I'm gonna go in with this Eco Styler gel. It's a lot more heavy than the leave-in conditioner, and it is going to allow those curls to clump together and really get them popping. I'm just taking some of that gel and making sure that I define the curls at the end, because that's what makes the style look good. I mean, look at that definition. Oh my god. Okay, so let's get this leave out and these edges together, girl. Okay, so what I did a flat twist the night before so that the hair can be defined to match the crochet hair. I like the length, but I'm just going to frame my face. Not too much, just a little bit, just so that it can have a shape to it. And when I'm done, you're going to see the difference from this side compared to the other. So yeah, just go ahead and shape it just a little bit to your liking, and look at that. It looks really good. So I'm using the Cream of Nature Edge Control to get these edges together. I like Cream of Nature because it's really tacky and it doesn't melt like right away. So that's always a good thing. I was going to do a middle part, but I'm going to hit y'all with a side part. I think it is so cute. It's so girly and feminine and sexy, and a side part will just bring your styles to the next level, okay? So that's what I'm going to be rocking for this look. I have a few more styles to show you guys, but this will be look number 1. And I noticed that as the hair dries, it looks better and better. For look number 2, I'm going to be doing a half up, half down style. And you guys can rock it like this, but I like a lifted ponytail look, you know, to kind of give me the she's your queen to be look. Okay, so I'm just going to lift that up a little bit, and I'm going to apply some bobby pins to make sure everything stays in place how I like it, and it's a look. So if you want to switch up that look, girl, go ahead and put a pompadour. Yep, a pompadour. It's giving old Hollywood. It's giving high fashion. It's giving top model, okay? Classic 40s, all right? I could never get tired of a pompadour. I haven't worn one in a while, but if you guys all of a sudden start seeing pompadours come back, then let them know that Chanel Moore brought it back, and it is fierce, honey, all right? Just look at that. That is so cute. I mean, girl. For this last look, I'm going to do a updo. So I'm going to put my hair all at the top into a ponytail. And if you guys like this look, if you like a lot of hair in a voluminous ponytail, then go for it. But because my head is small, I'm going to just make this look like a curly bun situation. So I'm just going to take a couple of these strands, maybe one on this side, and kind of wrap it around to make the ponytail, you know, a lot more compact and a lot more small. I'm going to take another piece and just wrap it around that ponytail. And as you guys can see, the bun is starting to form. It's getting smaller, which is really cute. And I'm just going to take a little piece and wrap it one more time. I think that's good enough. And so from here, I'm just going to play with it until I get it how I like it. I'm going to add some bobby pins here and there and create a nice little updo. So I just played with this hair until I got it how I like it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that, you guys. And I love how the hair naturally blends in with my natural hair. As you can see in the back, it blends like a dream. So yes, I will provide all of the information on this hair in the description box. And again, thanks for watching, and thank you HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you in my next one.